Welcome to Gyan Setu, the Knowledge Bridge. This is an introduction video of Class 7, Chapter 1, Integers. Hello everyone. Today we will start Class 7, Chapter 1, Integers. Going to integers, we will first talk about natural numbers. What is natural number? We all know that all counting numbers are called natural numbers, and natural numbers are denoted by capital N. You can see it is denoted by capital N. For example, 1 2 3 dot n up to n means infinity. Next is whole number. Whole number, 0 and all counting numbers means 0 and all natural numbers are called whole numbers, and it is denoted by capital W. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Let's talk about integer. What is integers? All natural numbers, negatives of natural numbers and 0 are called integer. In integer, there are natural numbers means positive and negative numbers and 0. It is denoted by capital Z or capital I. For example, minus n to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 up to n. Now you can understand what is integers. Our first topic is number line. How we will plot a number on a number line. This is the number line. In right side, positive numbers are denoted, and in left side, negative numbers. In middle, we put 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And this is the arrow sign. Means it can be extended. It is a line. So we have to plot, for example, we have to plot minus 2. Then you can see it comes on left side. It is minus 2. Addition and subtraction of integer. It is the next topic. When signs are given, plus and minus, we always do minus. Minus plus, we always do minus. Plus plus, we always do plus, and minus minus, we always do plus. What sign we will put on the answer? When in plus and minus, when plus sign is greater, then we put plus, and in negative sign is greater, we put minus. Plus plus, we put plus, and minus minus, we will do add, but the sign will be of minus. For example, you can see 6 minus 4. 6 is positive number and it is negative. Plus minus minus. Then 6 minus 4, 2. But sign will be of bigger one, and bigger one is 1. Then it will be plus. Minus 3 minus 2, both are minus. Then we will do plus. 3 plus 2, 5. And sign will be of minus. Then it will be minus 5. Then question number third, 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5, 4 is of plus sign and 5 is for minus. Plus minus, we can see plus minus minus, but the sign is for bigger one. Then 5 minus 4, 1. 5 is greater, so we will write the negative sign. Then minus 6 plus 10, plus minus, it is minus. Then 10 minus 6, 4. What is the sign? Sign will be of plus because 10 is greater than 6. Let's talk about some properties of integers. First is closure property. In addition, when we add two integers, the answer will be of integer. For example, minus 2 plus 4 is equals to 2. Minus 4 plus bracket minus 2. Then plus minus minus. Minus minus plus. It will be 4 plus 2, 6 and sign will be of negative. 2 is also an integer and minus 6 is also a integer. Then subtraction. When we subtract two integer, the result will be an integer. For example, 4 minus 4, it will be 0 and we know that 0 is also a integer. Minus 5 and minus 2, minus minus plus, then it will be 7 and sign will be of minus, and minus 7 is also a integer. Next, commutative property, addition. In this property, we take two integers and interchange their places. In addition, a plus b or b plus a, we have interchanged the places. Then also they are equal. You can see the example. 6 plus 4 is 10 and 4 plus 6 always 10. Then in addition, LHS and RHS are equal. Then come to subtraction. When we subtract two integers and interchange their places and then subtract, they are not equal. You can see the example. 8 minus 5 is 3 and 5 minus 8 is minus 3, and 3 and minus 3 are not equal. Third property is associative property. In addition, in associative property, we take three integers. In addition, a plus b. First, we will add a plus b because it is in bracket. Then we add c. And in RHS, we add b plus c, then add a. You can see the example. 3 plus 2, then 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 6 is 11. 2 plus 6 is 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11. Both are equal. There is a question. 4 plus 2 plus bracket minus 5. You have to complete the RHS and it is of associative property. This is A, B and C. C is given. We have to put A and B. You can write 4 and 2. Then they are equal. There is a topic, repeated addition. For example, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Then we have added 3 up to 4 times. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 9, and 9 plus 3 12. Also we can do 3 into 4. We added 3 for 4 times, so we can multiply with 4. 3 4s are 12. You can do an example. Let's suppose 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, and 15 plus 5 20. Or we can write 5. We have added 5 for 4 times. We can multiply with 4. It will be also 20. Next is subtraction. In associative property, the LHS and RHS are not equal. You can see the example. 4 minus 2 is 2 and minus 6. Then 6 minus 2, 4, and sign will be of 6 because minus is greater. Then it will be minus 4. Here you can see 2 minus 6, minus 4, and minus minus plus. Then 4, 4, 8. Minus 4 and 8 are not equal. In subtraction, LHS and RHS are not equal. Now comes to integers sign. It is for multiplication and division. When we do plus minus, we do minus and the sign will be of greater one. Minus plus minus, then sign will be of greater one. Plus plus, the sign will be plus. Minus minus, plus, but sign will be of minus. In addition and subtraction, sign will be of greater number. For example, minus 6 plus 10. Then 10 minus 6 minus plus minus 10 minus 6 is 4 and sign will be of 10 because 10 is greater than 6. And in multiplication and division, what we do? We will count the negative sign. It is odd or even. When the negative sign is odd, we will write the negative sign, and when the sign is even, we don't write the negative sign. For example, you can see minus 4 and multiply with minus 3. Then 4 3s are 12 and minus minus. There are 2 and 2 is an even number. So there will be no sign. B. Minus 4 by minus 3. We are doing division. Then minus minus, there are 2. We not write the minus sign. So from here we can say that in odd we will always write the minus sign, and in even we don't write the minus sign. You can see the third one. It is minus 5 by 10. Then 5 and 10 1 by 2. But it is only one sign. And 1 is odd number. So we will put the minus sign. Now you can understood. Then there are some properties for multiplication. First one is closure property. When we multiply two integers, the answer or the result will be an integer. For example, 4 multiplied with 5. it will be 20. 4 5s are 20. And 20 is an integer. Then commutative property, A multiplied with B or B multiplied with A. We have interchanged the places. This is first number and this is second number. So we can see the example. 4 multiplied with 5, the result will be 20. Or 5 multiplied with 4, the result will be 20. Both are same. In associative property, A multiplied with B. First we multiply A multiplied with B. 4 5s are 20. Then multiply with C. 23s are 60. First in RHS we first multiply B and C because it is in bracket. Then 5 3s are 15 and 4 multiplied with 15, it will be 60. You can see both LHS and RHS are same. In associative, multiplication are same. Now there is another property called distributive property. A multiplied with B plus A multiplied with C. We can do like this. A multiplied B plus C. For example, you can see both LHS and RHS are same. 4 multiplied with 5 plus 4 multiplied with 2. You can see the 4 is multiplied with both number 5 and 2. Or we can write 4 multiplied 5 plus 2. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 7s are 28 and 4 5s are 20 and 4 2s are 8. 28 and 28 both are equal. We do this property for bigger number. Let's suppose it is 425. How we can distribute this number? 400 plus 20 plus 5. We can write. So it is A, B and C. We put the value. It is 400 into 20 plus 400 to 5, or in RHS 400 into 20 plus 5. It is 4 2 ja 8, 8000 plus 4 5s are 20, 2000. 20 plus 5, it is 25. 400 into 25. Then it is 0, 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10. And here you can see 25 4s are. We know that 25 4s are 100 and 20. You can see both are equal. So we can distribute the bigger numbers and then solve. It is very easy. In next video we will do exercise 1.1. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Gyan Se